is a converged endpoint management platform which provides real-time visibility and control across all IT assets. Tanium is in use by the majority of the Fortune 100 and all branches of the DoD. We invented a platform with Tanium that allows you at massive scale to get real-time data about almost every facet of your IT estate and allows you to take action on those assets in real time. Tanium works across many different operating systems, including Linux, Mac, legacy and current Windows client and server systems. We also deliver it with zero infrastructure as a SaaS solution with an on-premises option. And with Tanium and Microsoft together, we allow customers to simplify security and management of their entire IT estate. Through our partnership, customers' environments are more secure, performant, and automated. And that's what I'd like you to show you today. For instance, I can very quickly ask for all of the endpoints and all of the installed applications on every Windows system in my environment. This data is returned in real time live from those endpoints. In a matter of seconds, I've received information from thousands of systems in the environment, and all this data is directly actionable, allowing me to target devices at any scale for things like uninstalling an application, stopping a service, looking up a file or a registry key, or quarantining a device. There are many options with respect to gathering data from those endpoints. I could also inquire about running services from all machines. I could gather data about hardware or specific software instances. I could also inquire or query my systems about the existence of a particular registry key that's representative of a zero-day vulnerability. All of this should show that it's entirely possible with Tanium to gather any aspects of my endpoint state, regardless of device and owner or location of these devices within the scope of a real-time investigation. When Tanium's installed in an environment, we find somewhere between 10 to 20% of additional endpoints which a customer didn't even know existed. Using the endpoints themselves and without any dependencies for an external network scanner, Tanium agents participate in a neighborhood watch of sorts and report back on devices which can be managed but are not currently. So we can look at white space and determine if there are any systems which, for whatever reason, have not become fully managed. And this can be automated such that any endpoints that are found, which may be rogue or otherwise, for whatever reason, they don't have the tools installed that I need in order to have them be fully visible and secure. We can automate the installation of those agents along with Microsoft agents. This way, you can ensure that all your assets are managed and secured by both Tanium and Microsoft. Continuing with our theme of integration across the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint stack, we can automatically ingest alerts generated by Defender into Tanium Threat Response. And then those particular alerts can be sent to the location of your choice and acted upon directly from within that interface or within Tanium. One of those potential destinations could be Microsoft Sentinel. Recently, we announced our integration with Sentinel, which provides customers the ability to streamline investigations with detailed real-time asset data and to orchestrate and remediate through a single platform. For more information, please see the Tanium and Microsoft Sentinel integration demo on Tanium's Ignite Showcase page. Impact is another critical area where we complement and enhance the ability of customers to have secure Active Directory environments locally. Traditionally, AD often suffers from hygiene issues wherein groups and local administrator rights have been assigned over time, and this is not cleared up. As a result, many organizations struggle with the concept of lateral movement risk, such that if a particular device or user account is compromised, locally available credentials can be used to move to higher value targets around the enterprise. So you can see here that we're actually highlighting individual users and groups and endpoints, which have the highest potential impact if they might be compromised by a malicious actor. We're excited to be launching our integration with Azure Active Directory today at Ignite. With this integration, customers are able to reliably pursue zero trust in their environments. With this integration, customers are able to reliably pursue zero trust in their environments. Many organizations struggle to implement zero trust because they don't have reliable real-time data which to make conditional access decisions, and there could be large productivity impacts associated with blocking users when their devices fail vulnerability or compliance checks. With Tanium's integration with Azure Active Directory, we're giving them the ability to do two things. First, drive conditional access based on a customizable set of Tanium's real-time device data. Second, remediate vulnerabilities or compliance gaps on blocked devices easily, so you're able to quickly fix the issue on users' machines and get them back to work. And lastly, because this is also overcoming some big barriers which many customers have previously faced. For more information, please see the Tanium and Azure Active Directory integration demo on Tanium's Ignite Showcase page.